Welcome back to Restore to Explore. Today we're going to jump straight into tackling some of this rust. Also, check this out. We just picked these up. Look at that. Huh? It's a black myrtle that we just got from a guy around the corner, actually, just off Facebook Marketplace. So that is going to be the new bench top inside the Troopy. All right, anyway, let's start cutting out some rust. All right, let's see what's going on under here. So someone's put expanding foam and they had some fiberglass over the top of that. Look how good the metal is and how thick it is as well. So it hadn't really spread. Sometimes it's hard to tell just looking at that. It can all be rotten underneath, but look at that, the paint's still on it. Another thing which is really bugging me is this big dent here, because I don't really want to do too much panel work to this car, and most of the car is pretty straight besides that. And I don't want to put lots of filler in or anything like that, because that could crack out later, and it doesn't need to be perfect. But I'm just going to see, I don't know, how close I can get that just with a bit of smacking. My goodness, that whole thing is fiberglass. Oh, goodness me. All right, so we do have more holes than I thought. Obviously, that, there, back here. So I think what we'll do for this, I'm glad I found this now, because I'll order, you can get these whole floor pan sections. They're like $160, they're pretty cheap. Instead of trying to do little plates and stuff, it's a lot stronger and gonna be easier if I just cut out this whole floor pan wherever the replacement panel comes to, and just weld in a whole new floor pan. This actually isn't even as bad once again as I thought. So I've just wiped over the areas that we put rust converter on with a wet rag and then a dry rag, which is pretty much what you do after half an hour. And as you can see now, all the bits that were rusty have now turned like a silver, black, kind of grey colour. So of course, this camera filled up its SD card just as the windscreen was coming out, so you can't see that. All I could see was that with the windscreen in, but turns out this whole bottom end has been made out of fiberglass. Someone's been in here before when that windscreen has been replaced, and that's when they put in all this expanding foam. And they've actually made this whole bottom piece on top of the rust out of fiberglass. But yeah, pretty happy with that one. That was a big bit of rust in there. Had heaps of foam and stuff that someone pumped in there, so very happy with that one. Whoa! That is wild. That is thick. Hole. Hole. This side is so much worse. Look at that. Get my whole hand in there. Oh, that's just gone. Probably worked out a good thing that I got both floor pans. I'm definitely gonna need them. All right, guys, so that's it for this episode. Next episode, we've got the floor pans, got roof gutters. We're gonna finish all the repairs on the windscreen. We're gonna hopefully get all the rust repairs finished, and then we can start sanding this thing down, getting it ready for paint. So super exciting stuff, really keen to get these nice new panels in. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, chuck a comment down below, and it's not gonna be long before this thing is a touring beast. So I'll catch you guys next time on Restore to Explore.